Hey guys, Big Tex Rebel here. Just got a package in the mail, as you can see. This package is from my good friend ShireyPokerKing, and I'm gonna leave a annotation or whatever it's called somewhere in the screen. I'm gonna use my trusty Leatherman to super tool to open this thing up. See what we got. That was easy enough. Grocery bags. Alright. Check this out. This is some old school 45 ball ammunition. Old school. From way back in the day. I don't even know what brand it is. That's badass, dude. That's really cool. We're going to try those out. Let's see what this is. Would you look at that? Look at that. That is awesome. Nice pocket clip here. Oh yeah. Check that out, guys. It says outdoor edge on it. And it feels like it has an edge. Very nice, dude. Thanks, man. That's fucking awesome. That is awesome. That's really cool. I'm gonna have to try this out. I like it a lot. Really cool. Ammo. Always good. Always good. Alright, guys. You guys gotta check out ShireyPokerKing. Alright? Really cool guy. Don't bug him or nothing. You know what I'm saying? But go check his channel out if you haven't already. He's got some really cool videos. Really cool guns. He just got a new AK. It's freaking awesome. Go check out his channel. It's a really nice knife. I really like it. Thanks again, man.